Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing business communication. In any workplace or organization, communication is one of the most essential tools for success. Whether you are talking to your colleagues, supervisors, or clients, how you communicate can affect the performance of your business. So let us have a look at what business communication is. Business communication is a sharing of information between individuals within and outside an organization, aiming to achieve common goals and enhance productivity. Simply put, business communication is the information we pass in the business world, either internally or externally. There might be two different types of business communication. It can be done internally or externally. Internal communication refers to the exchange of information within an organization. The information circulated inside an organization is basically internal. This could be between employees, teams, or different departments. Internal communication may include internal chats, meetings, newsletters, etc. External communication, on the other hand, involves interacting with people or entities outside the company, like clients, customers, suppliers, and even the media. It includes press conferences, financial statements, external meetings, surveys, etc. Now let us discuss why business communication is important. As you can see, here are multiple points why business communication is important. It enhances teamwork, builds relationships, helps in collaboration, also to mitigate any type of misunderstandings, to reduce risk, or to motivate the employees. Business communication is necessary. It also helps a business grow and maintain its reputation. Basically, how communication occurs, or what is the process of business communication. So here is a model of business communication. The elements are sender, encoding, channel, decoding, receiver, and feedback. The process follows a complete procedure. Let us discuss it with an example. Now let's have a look at the example which is relevant to business organization. The board of directors in a business, or the seniors, held a meeting with the employees on a new project. Now the board or the seniors are basically the sender, and they will have an idea, context which they will shape into words to the audience, and this transition of idea or thoughts into words is known as encoding. Then these words need a channel to be transmitted. It could be anything, but in the example we consider the voice of the speaker, the presentation slides as a channel. Then the information is decoded, as the words are now transformed into concept and understanding to the receiver, which are the employees. They will interpret the information and will give any feedback either verbally or through gestures. Now we will look into the channels of communication. First, we will have a look on channels based on nature. So there are two channels, formal and informal. Formal communication is structured, planned, and follows official rules or protocols. This type of communication usually takes place in professional setting. For example, in a board meeting where manager discusses quarterly goals, the exchange of information follows a formal process. Informal communication, on the other hand, is more casual and spontaneous. It does not follow official protocols and may occur between colleagues or even between managers and employees in an informal setting. For example, two co-workers discussing a task casually over coffee. Even though informal communication is casual, it plays a key role in building relationship and boosting collaboration within an organization. Now let us move on to the channels of communication based on nature. They are divided into three types: verbal, non-verbal, and written. Verbal communication includes spoken words for communication, either orally or written. For example, a team discussing project updates during a weekly meeting, or a manager giving instructions to a team. Non-verbal communication involves body language, symbols, cues, or gestures. They may include facial expressions, tone, or eye contact. This type of communication can support or contradict what's being said verbally. Written communication is any message that is sent through written words, like emails, reports, messages on communication platforms. For example, sending emails, writing business letters, etc. Now let's talk about channels of communication based on direction. These are four: upward, downward, lateral, and diagonal. Upward communication is information flown down to top, means from employees or subordinates to superiors. For example, workers giving feedback is an example of upward communication. Downward communication is information flown top to down, means from higher level to lower level. For example, a CEO addressing all employees about a new project. Lateral communication occurs between people at same level within an organization. It includes same department, same level. For example, colleagues working on a joint project. Diagonal communication is when communication happens between people at different levels and different departments within the organization. For example, a marketing team manager communicating with a senior IT manager, etc. To sum up all we discussed today, we have discussed some intro of business communication, including its types and channel. Watching this video will help you understand all the above topics. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.